to use your screwdriver safely and correctly. I mean, how many times have you incorrectly used a tool, ended up having to use one of these Band-Aids, maybe if it was really bad, one of these pads or a wrapper to secure the wrap in place? It's really imperative that you take safety seriously. When I was a kid, man, I sawed into my foot wearing flip-flops trying to secure a piece of wood. Stupidest thing I ever did. And I'm really here to try and help you stay safe as you work on your DIY projects. So let's talk about specific screwdrivers. What do we want to do today? Well, there's basically 5 steps that we believe in. First is you're taking step 1 into account. You're watching this video, so that's most important. Second thing is make sure you have the right screw for the job. Are you trying to drive into wood? You want to make sure you have the right tip. Are you trying to screw into an already drilled piece, for example, on a toy or piece of electronics? Then you want to use a screw like this where you don't have a tip. And then make sure you have the correct size. Do you want a really long screw or do you need a short screw for the job? That's really important to decide. Make sure you have the correct size. And then of course make sure you have the right screwdriver. Step number 3 is always drill a hole. I don't know if you can see it on this piece of wood. We did that ahead of time to save a little time, but if you have a nice power drill, power screwdriver, whatever you have, just simply use the right bit. And what most people tell you to do is just simply do this thing, and you want to have the bit and show a little bit of the actual threads in the screw show up behind it. That way you still have enough bite in the screw. Step number 4 is you want to hold the screw safely with your hand. I'm wearing utility gloves, and some people really want to wear gloves, some people don't. That's your choice. The other option is if you're concerned and you have really shaky hands, that kind of thing, you can use something like a needle nose pliers to hold it. Then you want to take your screwdriver. Make sure you have the right size tip for the screw you're using. With a firm and steady pressure, start turning the screw. You shouldn't have to really push on it really hard, and you really shouldn't have to stand up and lean on it kind of thing. If that's the case, then your hole's not big enough. Your pre-drill hole is not big enough. So just use a steady pressure and control your turns, and you will see that the nail will go in. So if you do this right, if you use these properly, you're going to avoid a lot of extra costs and strip screws, materials that are broken or split because you didn't properly either drill a hole or you maybe drop this onto a fragile material and it scratched, hurt, broke, whatever. And also, if you're using the right tool, right screwdriver, you're not going to have the tip getting stripped and then not really doing the job it's supposed to do. Again, just remember, no flathead screwdrivers with a Phillips head screwdriver. You really don't want a short, stubby screwdriver with this kind of work that I'm doing here today, and make sure it's the right size. This small screwdriver is great for electronics and small work like that has small screws, but really use and pay attention to the screwdriver you're using. Last thing, safety first always is our motto here at Mustone Tools. Make sure you're using and wearing some sort of safety glasses like I am here today. If you really feel the need, wear some utility gloves, use something to hold the screw if necessary, and be safe. Take care. I hope this was helpful. We look forward to the next video.